Good morning everyone, my name is Gery. I'm from Hungary and I'm a hobby gardener here in Hungary. I would like to introduce you the Viridarium. This is a self-project for me. As a hobby gardener, I would like to build a Viridarium, a plant collection based on mainly tropical, subtropical and Mediterranean plants. For example, my main focus will be the Musa, so the bananas with different species. So I would like to guide you through my current collection. The first species is a so-called Musa Dwarf Cavendish. This is the dwarf banana, which is coming from a local supermarket. See, it's inside my Viridarium, my collection, since 3 or 4 weeks now. I bought it in a local supermarket in Lidl in Hungary, and it was a little bit shorter at that time, so I replanted it into a bigger pot. Sorry, the English is not my native language, so sorry if I'm saying something stupid. So at first it was on a balcony, but it turned out that the direct sunlight is not the best for this plant. So these yellow markings are because of the direct sunlight. It is a heat stress for it, so we can observe these kind of stressy yellowish shades on the leaves. This is because the direct sunlight. So currently it's sitting in a partly shade. It's a sunny but not direct sunlight situation, and we can see that we have the third leaf since I got this plant. So this was the first one. It was in this state when I got in from the supermarket. So this is the first one, which was grown here. This is the second one. It's a little bit smaller than the previous one, but it's also very strong, very greenish. No sunburn or any stress can be seen on it. And this is the third one, which is now getting more and more pushed out from the pseudo stem. It's currently around 30 centimeters long, and it will be like a funnel as it's growing, and in the end it will be fully folded out as a big banana leaf. There are some mechanical damages. So these main vein, or I'm not sure what is the name of it in English, so sorry for that. So it is a mechanical damage. As it can see here, it can be seen here that if it is damaging, this part will be getting dried out, and I removed this leaf part also because it was damaged, but a lot of water is coming out from the leaf, so it stores a lot of water inside its pseudostem. And these are the dying leaves, but these are also very watery. So I removed this part of the leaf because it's not the best looking one. So currently it's having 3 new leaves. It will be a very good state in the later stage. Okay, let's continue. There are a lot of leanders also, and some other flowers inside the garden. These are and the agapanthus. I'm not sure about the English name, but this is the agapanthus. The leanders are handled by my mother because she is in love with them, and I have more banana species inside my Viridarium, and also an Olea europea. This is an olive tree. It's also coming from a local supermarket, Lidl. And these are the Musa basjoo. This is a Japanese banana. It's currently it's in a not the best state because they are sitting in a direct sunlight from 9 o'clock till noon or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's a normal direct sunlight stress reaction, but it's just a temporary one. So after the direct sunlight, the leaves will become more stiff and the upright position, and you can see there are a lot of new leaves coming out with different stages. This is the finally stage of the leaf, and also if you can see, I'm not sure if you can spot it inside the video, but there is a new leaf coming inside the funnel itself. So it will be 2 new leaves with this species, with this plant, and all of I have 4 species of this 4 plants of this Musa basjoo species. And in the shady area we can see a smaller Musa Dwarf Cavendish also, which is also from a local supermarket. The Musa basjoos are coming from a gardener, local professional gardener, and it's also, this Dwarf Cavendish is also in a good condition. We can see these parts of the leaves, which are a browny or dark reddish colors, which are specific for this Musa Dwarf Cavendish, but only for the young leaves. So the older leaves are not having these spots, so these are specific for the younger ones. So as first, this is my first video about my Viridarium, about my plant collection. I'm waiting for 2 new bananas. These are the Abyssinian red bananas, the Ensete ventricosum maurelis. They will arrive maybe tomorrow. I will get a new video about them. So this is my Viridarium. I hope you enjoyed this video as an introduction, and hope we can see each other in the next video. Till now, bye bye.